Hey guys, it is your girl Madison Sky Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Thank you guys for joining me again today for yet another episode of Quarantined and Ain't Going Nowhere. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm here for you. I am, because I don't have nowhere to go. Several people, a lot of people out here are acting like this situation is for play. Whether it is, whether it ain't, I'm not gonna be the test dummy. So I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna wake up. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna work out. And I'm gonna make videos. That's what I'm gonna do. That's my plan until all of this is pretty much over. You know, no, I'm not letting COVID control my life. But this is what I choose to do. And I'm okay with it. So I decided to be creative again today. Didn't really know where I was going with this video. None at all. So yeah, you know, you just have to stay tuned to see how this creation came about. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoy. And if you want to know more details on how I achieved this look, stay tuned. So we are going to go ahead and get started on the brow and try to get as close to a normal brow as I can. So the bottom line started out okay. The first eye always does better than the second eye. I can never really, you know, just match it up. It's always a problem with these eyes. I feel like I need to stop there. I feel like somebody's telling me something, saying, stop this, sis, stop. But am I listening? Oh, I am. I'm listening. I'm listening, people. Okay, let's see what we got going on with this other brow. I feel it. I feel it already. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna stop there. I think they're about as equal as they're gonna be. We're gonna go ahead and clean them up just a tad bit with some concealer. So I don't know what kind of eye look we're doing today. Maybe a brown smoky. That sounds good. Brown smoky. Today is one of them days with brows. Seems to be the most difficult thing in the world for me to do right now. I don't know why, but it is. I'm struggling. Okay, so I went on and applied some concealer to the eye as a base, and we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. I think I'm gonna go in with these colors right here in the crease. This is a MAC 224 brush. So first we're gonna go in with Zama, Z-A-M-A. And y'all know we're gonna stamp that into the crease. Okay, now I'm gonna try to go in with the red color, Jamata, that's her name. Right there, a little bit lower. And from that same palette, I'm gonna try to go in with this Kufuru right there. All right, so we got the liner on both eyes. We're gonna go ahead and pop on these lashes. All right, so for the eyes, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go in with the face with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I don't know. little powder on the face. Spots that get extra oily. Now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place concealer. And put that right there where it needs to be. Now with my Morphe's Place concealer. I'm contouring now with the Juvia's Place concealer, number 3, I think. Yeah, 3. Where's that coming from? I'm gonna set the under eye with the Morphe Ever Matte powder. I'm gonna go in with a little translucent powder. While that is sitting, we can go ahead and finish off the bottom portion of the eye. So we're just going to use the colors that we use up top. I think this powder has been sitting long enough. So we can go ahead and wipe that excess off. I'm going to go all over my face with My Skin Complexion face powder. Now for the bronzer. See that warmth it brings back to the skin? Yes, bring back me some warmth. Going in with the voluminous on the bottom lashes. I'm gonna hit the cheeks with this color right here and maybe that. Now it's time for these lips. I am using a dark Juvia's Place concealer. I'm going with the Blushing Rose by e.l.f. But we got to put a little gloss on it. So we're going to top it off. I don't know. It's a MAC lip gloss and the color has fallen off. Yeah, that worked. Set the face a bit. Well, people, this is the finished look. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I I enjoyed it. I had a blast, per usual, planning makeup and just providing little tips and tricks out there to you guys. Just different concepts and ideas. I'm here for it. I got the time, and I hope you made time to watch, and I hope you enjoyed this video with me today. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you are always notified as soon as I drop another makeup tutorial. And until next time, bye.